In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Behance URL, which plays a crucial role in determining how your portfolio is accessed by others. So, let's dive in and explore how you can make this change effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into Behance and head over to the Settings section. Once you've logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your avatar there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu, and it's from this menu that you will select Settings. Now that you're on the Settings page, the next thing to do is navigate to the section where you'll find your URL. You'll either need to be under Account Information or the Profile tab. To do this, within these tabs, locate the Behance URL field. This is where the magic happens. It's here that you can make changes to your profile link. When you're ready to make the change, look for an edit option located next to your current URL. Click on it, and you can now enter your desired new profile name. This new name could be anything from your brand name to your full name, or anything that represents you. Just remember, there are a couple of guidelines you need to follow. Make sure your new URL is between 3 and 30 characters long. It should include only letters, numbers, dashes, or underscores. Avoid using spaces or any special characters, as these won't be accepted. Once you've settled on a new URL and entered it, double-check to ensure it's exactly how you want it. Mistakes can happen, so it's always a good idea to give everything a quick once-over. If it all looks good, go ahead and click Apply or Save to confirm your update. There are a few important things you should keep in mind. Changing your URL means that your old link will no longer work or redirect to the new URL. This means you'll need to update it in every place you've shared it, whether that's social media, business cards, or your email signature. Keep track of where your URL is shared so it stays current. You also have the option to change your URL again in the future. However, bear in mind that there might be restrictions on how frequently you can make these changes, possibly a 30-day waiting period before the next edit is allowed. The good news is that making these changes won't affect any of your projects, your list of followers, or your content. Everything stays precise and secure. It's just the gateway to your portfolio that gets a sleek, new address. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully updated your Behance URL, ensuring your work is accessible with your preferred handle. Happy creating!